Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to host a website on Bluehost. First, you will need to choose a hosting plan that suits your website's requirements, whether it's shared, VPS, or dedicated. Next, select a domain name for your site or link an existing one. Then, complete the account registration by providing your personal and payment details. Finally, review your package information and confirm your purchase to set up your Bluehost account. Once your Bluehost account is active, installing WordPress is incredibly straightforward. Bluehost offers a convenient one-click installation feature, making it easy for beginners. Simply log into your Bluehost control panel, find the WordPress icon, and follow the intuitive prompts. In just a few moments, WordPress will be installed on your chosen domain, ready for you to begin building your website. It's a quick and efficient process. With WordPress installed, it's time to bring your website to life. Log into your WordPress dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything. Here, you can choose from thousands of themes to give your site a professional and appealing look. Additionally, install plugins to add features like contact forms or search engine optimization. Then, start creating your pages and posts, adding your unique content and images. Before going live, thoroughly preview your website to ensure everything looks and functions perfectly. Check all links, images, and content for accuracy. Adjust your site settings for optimal performance and security, including permalinks and privacy. Remember to regularly back up your website data to protect against any unforeseen issues. Finally, once you are satisfied, launch your site and begin promoting it to attract your target audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.